I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to favorite particular transit lines on the Maps app of your iPhone. So first, we're going to open up the Maps app. Then we're going to switch to the transit view, and to do that, we're going to click the little train icon on the top right. As you can see, I'm already selected in the transit view, but the bottom left is going to be the one that you select, and then you'll select the X icon to go back to the map. Now we're going to have to search a particular transit line. We'll click the search bar there, and then you can also just click right here, transit stations. So I'm going to tap that. As you can see, it'll show you all of the different stations that are near you. If you tap on a particular station that you like that is on a line that you like, you cannot save the line itself. You can only save the station. So just save one of the stations on the line that you like, the station that you like the most, or save all of the particular stations that you use by clicking that plus button, and then they are all in your library in the places that you have saved. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video so other people can find it as well, and subscribe to stay tuned for much more just like this.